Hi, this is Matt from Kempenfelt Imaging Systems, and today we're going to show you how to install the Guarding Vision security camera application on an Android device. First thing you're going to have to do is find your Google Play Store and open it. Then you're going to have to search, and you want Guarding Vision. You can either type it out, mine happens to be right there. And then you're going to have to install it. You'll have to know what your Google account password is so that it can successfully install the application. Once the application is installed, you're going to want to open it. Mine has a security for my thumbprint. Your camera system will be blank, so you're going to want to hit Add here up at the top corner. And then you're going to want to do manual adding. And you're going to want to choose the first option and change it to IP domain. You're going to want to give this a good name here as an alias. Usually you can say your business name, something like that, just so something that you have to remember. The address field here, it will be supplied to you by us. It'll usually be your public IP address. And same with the username and password, which will probably be in the same email that you got this video from. Okay, you fill out this information and you click Save here at the top, and then you can hit back, and then it will populate the camera system here for you. And you can change in here the views on how many cameras you want to see, which ones you want to see, and how you want them to react, all by touching them. You can touch on the cameras as well. You can zoom in and out by pinching your finger back and forth. You can also see these settings here. You can change things like how you want it to display, whether it's in HD or basic. You can also scroll over here to get other features like taking a snapshot or a small video. If you see something live that you need to record, it'll save to your phone. You can also use this feature here for anyone who has PTZ capability cameras. You'll also have alerts. You can pause video and things like that on these icons below. If you wanted to go to a playback option to look at pre-recorded material, you can click on the top part here and then click on playback. And on here, it'll open up some cameras. You can choose which camera you want to see. You can change it by the date by clicking on the date. You can also move it by hour by moving your finger back and forth. And it changes the time and the location of when that camera is being to play back for you through the app. If you have any other questions, you can always contact us at 705-733-8881. Thank you.